Shadows rise and fall, whispers echo through the mountains high, tales of forgotten empires that refuse to die. The desert wind carries the song of the past, a kingdom lost, but its memory will last. Through the dunes where warriors must tread, the spirits of the fallen, never truly dead. Whispers of the desert winds calling from afar, guiding us through the darkness beneath the crescent star. In the dust of time we stand and fight, with the strength of the ancients in the eternal night. Temples carved in stone, now broken by time, where mystics chant to songs in riverman rhyme. The sun burns high, casting shadows along. In the heart of the storm we find where we belong. In the silence of the desert, the truth unfolds. Through the sands of time, the story is told. A flame burns bright amidst the endless sea, guiding the lost souls, setting them free. Whispers of the desert winds calling from afar, guiding us through the darkness beneath the crescent star. In the dust of time we stand and fight, with the strength of the ancients in the eternal night. Whispers of the desert winds calling from afar, guiding us through the darkness beneath the crescent star. In the dust of time we stand and fight, with the strength of the ancients in the eternal night.